everyone! Happy Thursday! Today is National Jelly Bean Day. So if you have jelly beans, eat them today. Today is National Picnic Day. I am so excited about that. I think I might eat outside today. You should try and ask your family if you can have lunch outside today. Today is also National World Book Day. So of course we have to read today. But good morning, everyone. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day so far. And I hope that your Thursday is terrific. Terrific Thursday. Hope it's wonderful. Let you know what's going on today. So, of course, I would like you to please check in with me. I will probably write you back. So if you haven't been checking back, always whenever you log in the next day, look back at yesterday's check-in and I respond to you. That way we can kind of still communicate with one another. It's like we haven't left each other. After that, you're going to read for 20 minutes, find a cozy spot, and get a good book. I hope everyone has a nice book that they're reading at home. I know that Taylor has started reading the Harry Potter series. That's amazing. I can't wait to hear about what all of you are reading. I know we have a lot of Captain Underpants fans out there and a lot of Dogman fans, Junie B. Jones fans. I hope to hear that you are reading a fantastic story today. After you've read for 20 minutes, please log into iReady reading for 20 more minutes, and there you're going to be working on some of those lessons that have to deal with our vocabulary and some of our foundation skills. You have a fun brain break today, and then for math, you're going to log into iReady and complete lessons for 20 minutes. After those 20 minutes are up, you're welcome to do some fun learning games on iReady, or if you want to go to a different website to practice your math skills, or even code.org. That is perfectly fine with me. For science today, you're going on your last virtual field trip this week. I hope you enjoy it. You are going to the Kennedy Space Center, and you're going to be learning all about space today. Hope you're excited about that. And the last thing is, I hope that you are able to find some time today to complete your last special activity this week. If you've only done one so far, please complete your second one today, and then you're done for the week with special activities. Can't wait to see what you do today. I hope everyone has a wonderful day, and I hope to see you nice and smiling tomorrow. Goodbye, authors. Have a great day.